as the gravity of the situation, not true?
For no, Chris. All me know is you and your boss broke in a Kev house. I wanna take him away.
You alright, son?
This laptop will be placed right in his hands, or there is no deal. I think we can take that risk there.
Minister, listen.
I don't want to hear it.
Have you landed?
Am I alone on this? Or do I have shadows?
I'm Emma, and this is Hannah. Pleasure to meet you, Agent B.
Wanted to come rob me?
Where's the drop-off point?
Hello, Vanessa. It's not a request.
No, me still can't believe it. Jaja Butcher, can't believe.
I tell you, at the final resting place, all the way, Jenna.
I'm not ready for rest yet, you know. Me need any brother.
Why not so friend?
Friend?
You know it's because of you why she's not in this interrogation room answering questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is a suspect.
I don't know if we can trust her around me no more.
No? You said me?
When did he get to you?
Huh?
So what is going to happen?